Welcome to my channel. Injection molding and mold. Introduction. Injection molding process. An injection molding process generally used for processing thermoplastics. In this process, certain quantity of material in granular form is heated and softened in one part of the machine and forced under pressure into the closed mold. Then hot plastic will be closed inside the mold until it solidified and retained the shape imparted. In this picture you can see injection mold. What are the advantages of an injection mold and molding process? Advantages of injection molding and molds. Parts can be produced at high production rates. Large volume of production is possible. Relatively low labor cost per unit is obtained. Parts with good surface finish can be obtained. Different surface colors can be obtained. For many shapes, this process is the most economic way to fabricate. When manufacture of very small parts with any other process is almost impossible, such products can be easily produced in injection molding. Some items can be molded injection different materials using same mold and same setting. Minimum scrap as runners, gates and sprue can be reground or reused. Close dimensional tolerance can be maintained. Parts can be molded with metallic and non-metallic inserts. Part can be molded in combination of plastic and fillers of glass, talc and carbon. The inherent properties of plastics give many advantages such as high strength, less weight, corrosion resistance and clarity. What are the disadvantages of injection mold and molding process? Material wastage is high, high tool cost, expensive molding equipment, skilled labor required making the tool, high maintenance cost, handling of mold is difficult, high power consumption. Mention the types of injection mold. The injection molds are classified into 5 basic types. One is 2-plate mold, second one is 3-plate mold, third one is hot runner mold, fourth one is insulated runner mold, fifth one is stacked mold.